Another banger. Make a call, make a bong bong bong, make a call, make a keep body bong bong bong, your body kakara, make a bong bong bong, on a make it. Kilo fe, omote chokade, fine fine, no bagate, watch your love for like it, why not momote, your body, chokade.
Everybody, so I've packed my stuff and I'm going to Lagos. I'm going to Lagos by train. Last week I went to Ibadan and I wanted to go by train, but I missed my train and Ibadan drivers, they did me dirty. So I'm leaving the house very early so I can meet up with the train so I can get to Lagos as early as 12. So when I get to the train station, I'm going to talk to you guys. I missed the first train because I could not buy tickets, and now I have to wait till 10 o'clock. But I have interview by 8 and I have to be settled. I don't know, I'll just do the interview outside or I'll do it here or I'll miss the interview because it's not like if you do interview they'll give you the job. I left my house very, very. Whether it's business class, I left my house. I left my house very, very early. I wasn't dedicated. Business class, everything. Like I said before, as I was coming to Ibadan, I missed my train, and now that I'm going back to Lagos, I did not miss this train. It left before my eyes. It left, I think, like 5 minutes ago, but I could not buy tickets because I did not want to buy tickets at all because they don't have refund policy. So I'm not going to use my money to gamble. Never. So they said on Saturdays they have 3 trains. They have supermarkets up here. In case you bought Ibadan, there's a very fine space to snap, and there's actually a shopping mall upstairs.
The last 2 codes. 7, 8, 9.
Oh boy, Ibadan arranged. I was in Ibadan for 8 days, and for the whole 8 days, rain fall. by 8, second to the last, I mean. So now that I'm seated, that I know that I'm not going to miss the train, let me grant. This, if you miss the train, if you come by 1 minute late, you're not going to go anywhere. This is their first mission of cancelling African time, because when I was coming to Ibadan, I left my house so early, so as early as past 5, or let me say to 6. That's when I left my house, because I always want to, because I don't want to arrive in the evening, because if you leave your location or where the train will leave by 4, you are going to get to where you are going that kind of 7, so I don't want to be late. That's why I always leave my house early. Guess who missed the train? The thing leave before my eyes, so I'm going to attach a clip of, I was on that Agege bridge when it was leaving Lagos. I'll attach a clip of it now. So our journey is going to start very soon, the time is 10 the time is 10:40. And it's a 2 hours 30 minutes trip, and I have cheese balls and biscuits and water, and I heard they used to sell meat pie on the train, so hopefully if they sell meat pie I'll buy. If you've watched to this point, please subscribe to my channel. I love you. So the trip is about to end.
No, here is better too.